it's kind of warm out, so I don't want this shit to like melt off. So I'm just gonna woo. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Michelle. If you're new, welcome. If you're old, welcome back. In today's video, I am bringing to you guys this bronzy look. Today is a beautiful day. Today it's super sunny, and you know, I decided to do this like bronzy look with these like natural lashes because it is daytime, so I still kind of want to keep it appropriate for the day, even though I know a lot of people like to go extra during the day, which I do, but I just like how everything just kind of looks like really well put together. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then please keep watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button down below so you can get all my notifications, and I will see you guys in my next slide. Sculpt my brows. I'm going to go in with this Milani Easy Brow Automatic Pencil, and this is in the shade Dark Brown. And this isn't like a angled tip, so I like to go over it with an angled brush and just kind of go in and fill them in with this Lorac palette, this Lorac Gold palette. I'm going to take the dark brown shade right here in the corner. This is in the NARS Natural Radiant, and I'm just going to trace underneath where my brow is, like so. Like I said, my bad that my brushes are dirty. I didn't have a chance to clean them. And I'm gonna go back in with that concealer, and I'm just going to prime my lids. Ooh, y'all, quick disclaimer, but I slept with contacts in my eyes last night, and I still have these bitches in. It's burning a little bit, but I don't want to take them out and have to put another set back in, which you're probably like, maybe you should do that, because these are definitely dailies and you're supposed to technically wear them every day and then throw, well, not every day, well, yeah, once a day I should say, and then throw them out. But I don't usually follow the directions, so I end up suffering the consequences, unfortunately. Going in with my powder. This is the Loose Setting Black Radiance powder and banana. I'm just going to pack that on my lid. I'm gonna use this. This is called Toasted Almond. This is by the Black Radiance. I don't know if this is actually gonna pick up, because the first time I used it, it was super pigmented, and then afterwards it wasn't really pigmented at all. So we're gonna see how this works. Take this on a MAC 217 brush. I'm going in with the Urban Decay Heat palette, and I'm gonna be taking this He Devil shade right here. This kind of looks similar to what's on my eye. I think it is. It's probably maybe a little bit lighter. Let's see. I'm just gonna pack that right there on my outer area. I'm gonna take this color called Scorched. Hopefully you guys can see that. That one right there. Right here. I'm gonna use that on top of that. This is a lip liner. It's a brown lip liner, but I'm going to use it as a liner to go on top of my eyes. So I'm just going to. Now I'm gonna work on the face, and I'm gonna start off with the Pore Skin Eraser. I'm just gonna put that in spots where I get a little oily than usual. Ooh. I'm gonna go in and set my face because, like I said, I do get oily, and yeah, it's kind of warm out, so I don't want this shit to like melt off. So I'm just gonna just pack this on areas where I get oily. I'm gonna go in with these two foundations. This is the Milani Conceal and Perfect foundation. This is golden tan, and then this one is tan. I like to mix the two because one is too dark for me, a little bit too dark for me. The other one's like a little bit too light, so I kind of like mix the two, so it kind of gives me the exact shade. Picking this dirty ass brush. I told y'all my brushes are dirty. I'm gonna take like 2 pumps of number 10. I need some like easier ongoing foundation, if you see what I'm saying. Like, I feel like I have a lot of heavy stuff. And yeah, I need like a lighter foundation. Oh, and I just forgot, I'm gonna color correct because I got a little mustache coming in. Ooh, girl, that is thick, okay? All right, now that that is already applied to my face, I'm gonna go in with this sponge while I have to go wet it, and I'm just going to fill in the places that I applied that. I'm gonna go in with the NARS Caramel Concealer. Well, the NARS Concealer in Caramel. I'm gonna look at it, ooh baby. Dandy Black Radiance foundation stick and cappuccino. I'll say so myself. So how did she do this? I think she blended the contour into this. Gonna let that sit for a minute. Then I'm gonna go back in with this blush contour, whatever you want to call it. I'm not really gonna, well, I did kind of already contour, but I'm just gonna go in. I'll go in with this True Complexions light to medium contour palette, and I'm just going to contour my nose. But I'm gonna bring that like right in this area, right where that shadow kind of starts to. With this one, this is like a Revlon color. This is in chocolate. So this is the finished product. I did like a bronze kind of look for you guys. I feel like the highlighter is kind of missing on this side, but that is okay. Just a fun like little flirty look that I did for, you know, daytime. You can do this daytime, nighttime, whatever type of the day you would like to try this look. Yeah, so I'm giving you like bronzy vibes. That's what I like. All right, guys, see you in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.